Everything was peaceful in Mario World until these two people came. Ow! What the fuck? No! Okay.
Hey, what's up? What's
Stop.
up?
I don't know. I don't know. This happened to Pikachu. I remember he committed suicide. No! Not this again. Alright.
Hey, what's up?
What's up? Oh my god, this happened to Pikachu. I can't believe he committed suicide on these grounds. No! Here you go.
Hey, what's wrong?
I'm over here.
Power button.
Ow.
That was for.
Teleport! I'm over here, buddy. I'm over here. Marco! Polo! I'm still alive. Marco! Polo! Try to get me. Exactly. Thank you, Mr. Crocodile Guy.
Hey, ow! Ow! What was that for, you stupid crocodile? Ow!
No more, Mr. Crocodile Guy. Shit. He isn't real. No! No! I'm hopeless. No! Don't kill me! He raped me! No!
Hey, what's up? Hey.
My world is ruined.
Right. I'm practicing my moves. Rawr.
Roar!
Hey, buddy, what's on?
I don't know. I'm just feeling down.